Okay, so let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your headphone audio on to Zoom. So, as you can see, I'm in a Zoom meeting with myself, really, so there's no audio. But if you join a Zoom meeting and you can't hear anything and you're on the computer, this is how you would likely set it up. So first of all, make sure you have some type of headphones or some type of speakers on. And then you're going to go down here where it says unmute, and you're going to click the up arrow right there. And then as you can see, there's a wide list of settings. And then right here it says select a speaker. So as you can see, I have many speakers attached to my computer, but the one I'm using right now is my headphones. So it'd be this one right here, Bose Q35 2 stereo. So, but like if you were using speakers plugged into a jack on your computer, it would be the jack Realtek High Definition Audio if you're on Windows 10. And so basically you're just going to select your headphones. So mine are going to be B headphones, and then I'd be able to hear everything around me. And then say your headphones still aren't working, you want to go to audio settings, go here to audio, and as you can see speaker, you can click test speaker if you want to, and it will play a sound. And then you can also change the volume of your speakers. So if you have something feeding in, well, if it's not loud enough, because maybe the volume's turned all the way down, then you can turn this up, and boom, you'll hear. And then, so this is a separate audio device. You don't need to worry about any of this right here. All these things are stuff you can do by yourself, but that's really all you need to know for audio. But if you do all of this and your mic still isn't working, then you're going to go to settings on your computer, or just the search bar, and you're going to type sound, like this, and go to sound settings. And it'll bring up this settings menu just like this. As you can see over here, there's a button that says sound control panel if you full screen it. You're going to click that button, and then you can close this, and it'll bring up this sound menu. What you're going to do is, as you can see right here, I have my B headphones, Bose Q35 stereo. Just going to double click on it like that, and here are my headphones. And I'm going to go to levels, and as you can see, these are the levels of my headphones. I can turn the volume of my headphones up, and I can turn it down. So, like if I went here, that'd play sound for me. You can also balance it, but you don't need to do that. You can just change it manually. You can change these settings if you want a bass boost or other things, but these don't really matter or anything. Otherwise, you're pretty good. And then you want to enable the device, of course, because if you disable it, you can't use the device. Then you just press OK, and then you press OK, and your headphones should work. If your headphones still aren't working, if they're Bluetooth, it's a problem with the Bluetooth and they're not connected, so try turning your device off and then turning it back on and wait till it says connected. If it's plugged in via a jack, then something's wrong with the cord from your jack to your headphones, or from your jack to your headphones/speakers. So that's basically just how you connect and how you troubleshoot audio in Zoom. Thanks for watching. This is Nomadical, and I'll see you in the next video.